Hi, this is Devin Hobb with Remax, and we are in Traverse Mountain today, which is in Lehi City. This home sits in a cul-de-sac that features a kid park just right here. So the park has beautiful views looking over the valley. You can see the lake even, and very gorgeous setting. This home has been professionally landscaped. It's got incredible shrubbery and plants, and there's recently upgraded turf as well that is green year-round and low maintenance and saves on water. So I'll take you on a tour of the home. Okay, here in the entryway, we've got a beautiful solid wood door here and vaulted ceilings, and it welcomes you into this living room, great room concept where we've got a beautiful kitchen island, granite countertops, nice tile flooring, and beautiful light fixtures. Everything's very rich and tasteful. This is a gas stove. It's kind of a double oven built in, and we have stainless appliances built into the cabinetry as well. Right here you've got the microwave built in. There's a walk-in pantry right here. So very good sized pantry. And I'll take you over this way. Here we've got a little coat closet, and then you circle around to this front formal room. And we've got a laundry room right here, built-in cabinets as well with granite countertops. And down this way we've got two bedrooms, and neither of these are the master. So the master is on that side of the home. We'll go there next, but this one's used as an office, although it does have a walk-in closet. And this is bedroom number 2. This one is a very good sized bedroom, and it has custom trim work built in. Nice closet here. And then we'll take you right here. We've got a big bathroom. So really nice vanity where the woodwork matches the kitchen and everything. It just has a rich feel. And over here's plenty of space where the toilet section is. Got the nice shower. Down this way is where the master bedroom is, and I'll take you there. So half a flight of stairs brings you to a really nice master suite. It's got really neat vaulted ceilings, beautiful views right here over the whole valley. Here's where the master bathroom is. And again, just very nice naughty alder wood cabinets, built-in mirror here, walk-in shower, jetted tub, and a really nice walk-in closet that's much bigger than it looks. So it goes this way, it's very spacious. I'll take you guys downstairs where we've got a living room and another theater room. A lot of cool features to this home. Right here's a half bath for guests, and then I'll point out a couple things in this garage. So here in the garage, it's got the epoxy flooring, and then they've got hoist systems to hoist up kayaks or bikes or whatever, and then a lot of overhead storage as well. Okay, so down here we've got a really nice living room, and before we get to that, right here we've got a nice size theater. Really cool curtains. Got the colors painted for the right setting. We have a built wood platform here. So stadium seating, Bose sound system, and this theater could be used different ways. So if you wanted to move the chairs, this is actually kind of like a dance floor or like a theater floor with these curtains right here. And so you can have little plays and things. If you were facing this way, then it's kind of like a setup for a stage. So theater that way, stage that way. And the chairs and the TV and all of that will be a negotiable item. Okay, so we've got a second, it's not a full kitchen, it's more of a wet bar here, and dishwasher, 2 mini fridges, a little sink, beautiful cabinetry and granite countertops, and a really nice sized living area with these custom built-in shelves here as well. And this would be bedroom number 4. This one has a good sized walk-in closet as well. And then we've got the hall bathroom serving the basement. It's a full bath. It's got a nice tile shower as well. And then this one is bedroom number 5 with its own walk-in closet as well. So we've got 2 bedrooms on the main, the master half a flight up, and then these 2 bedrooms down here. Just passed by a good storage room. So built-in shelving all around. I'll take you guys to the backyard now where there's some more features to be talked about. All right, so here in the backyard, this way we've got a stream. So there's a pump up here, and in the spring, summer, fall, when it's not cold, you've got a natural looking spring that comes down to a gathering pond. It's really pretty. So yeah, it kind of cascades down to right here and recirculates around. It's very pretty, it makes a nice sound. This is the low maintenance turf, and there's just real pretty shrubbery along here. And then this way, got a nice patio with these big rocks here. Dug out these stairwells and expanded this big pit here. And over this way, there's a gas fire pit and this attached pergola that's bolted down to this new concrete patio. So really nice setting here just to have a nice social place to be outdoors. And then we've got this tool shed here that's just custom built. Lots of different features to it. Doors open on this side. It's got electricity there, and there's more over here. There's actually a cool light fixture inside this shed as well. So that's the outside of the home. The last thing to know about this home is that it's located in the Traverse Mountain Community HOA, which includes a really state-of-the-art clubhouse. Really cool architecture, it's very big, and there's a community swimming pool as well. There's multiple parks throughout Traverse Mountain, but you've got one right here in this cul-de-sac. So anyways, that's another feature that's appreciated about this whole community. I hope you enjoyed watching this video tour and got a good feel for the layout of the home as well as some of the features and the benefits of it. If you'd like to come and see it in person, feel free to reach out to me or the agent you're already working with and come and see this home. Thanks for watching.